What's going on, you guys? I got a video here for you guys who have jailbroken. If you're on the 12.4, you're using Uncover or whatever jailbreak, or if you're on a previous one and you have these things installed, one thing installed, sorry, or even if you're having battery drain issues, I'm going to show you something else toward the end of the video that you can install that may help. There's obviously things that you can do to improve your battery. Background app refresher, turning applications off that you don't use, location based only when stuff's open. Obviously when you jailbroke and you have a crap ton of tweaks installed, that's obviously gonna run your battery down. But here is two main things you can do. One of them is a tweak based app. If you have this installed, you're gonna need to fix these settings. The other one you can install to kind of help your issues. Okay, so first one we're going to be looking at is an application called Revokes. Okay, if you guys don't know what this is, basically if you loaded Uncover from Ignition, Tweakbox, loaded it yourself through Cydia Impactor, whatever it may be, as you guys know, sometimes these get revoked, they stop working, so on and so forth. So what you would do is you would load Uncover and whatever application, and normally they show up under other applications, so you could click it, you hit add, and it will add it to the top. Now what this does is it auto re-signs every 7 days or every 5 days, whatever you set it to. This is where some people have issues because this can drain your battery because there's a setting that you need to fix. Well, two. And then you're also going to need files for what I'm about to show you after this. But for right now, you need to change something within Revokes. So you're going to click the little cogwheel or gear icon at the bottom here. And re-sign when applications have, you could put 2 days left. You could put it to whatever you want to put it to. Okay. You're going to scroll down now. Click on advanced. Okay. And check expiry times. This is set to every 2 hours. Put this to every other day. Okay. However, like it says here, a longer time between checks uses less battery but has more risk of that application won't be signed. Basically, if you have a fear of it not re-signing, what you can do is just set a calendar reminder, come in here, or check, and then just re-sign it. It should automatically re-sign. What you could do is have this to, 3 days. Every 3 days it will re-sign. But every 2 days should be good. Like, it should be good. What Revokes does is, if your phone happens to die or goes out of jailbreak mode, you can still run these apps even if they get revoked. Okay? You can still run Uncover. You can still run Ignition. They will open up because they're signed, right? You're not going through them, it's signed through you, okay? So that's what it is. A lot of people, you should be doing this. If you jailbroke, you should be loading Electra or Uncover in this. So if your phone ever happens to reboot or die, it goes out of jailbreak mode, you don't need to ever worry about not being able to get back into your jailbreak or having to do Cydia Impactor or whatever. You could just, go right back into jailbroken mode because that app is going to be still signed. Now, obviously with you changing that setting down in advance, there's another thing you're going to need to do, which is why I said you're going to need files. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open it wherever menu you're on. You're just going to keep hitting the top left back button there till you get to this directory here. Okay, so once you're on the directory where you can see system, var, boot, etc., temp, okay, you're going to hit library. And so you're going to click once you're in here, you're going to see com.matchstick.provisioned. You're going to hit that. You're going to hit the little root thing so it opens up. And now keep alive. This is automatically going to be put to yes. You're going to hit that I. You're going to go to no. And then for the run at start, again, you're going to put it to no, which typically it's on yes. After you do this, you want to make sure that you save the changes. And then you're going to have to run Uncover and you're going to have to re-jailbreak your device. Because you're already jailbroken, it should run through the process and just respring your device and re-jailbreak it. Okay? Once you do that, that should help cut down your battery. There is another thing you can do, which would involve you going to Cydia. I'll try and leave the source below for this, but you're going to grab CA PPD. This has been updated for iOS 12. There's nothing to basically mess with this. You just load it, and I believe it turns off some of these demon things. I'm not sure. However, it claims to help. You could load this and see. Again, there is no setting for this, unless maybe there is. However, I don't see a setting for this anywhere. But again, this is something that you could load and see. So hopefully this helps you with your battery life to improve it a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. Yeah.